Hi, today I'd like to show you how you can validate an algorithm that you've been training in the DeePathology STUDIO. I've been training myself an algorithm for a little bit that is supposed to detect all dense plaques in mouse brain sections like this one. And now I would like to know, how good does it actually perform? The first thing I'll do is I'll freeze the algorithm. In settings, I'll switch it from running to frozen. Now the current status of the algorithm is preserved. Next, I will choose an area on which to perform validation. For a real validation, you want to choose a big area on a part of your slide that is relevant for your application. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it rather small. I'll select Mark Test and circle the entire area that I would like to validate. And next, I need to provide a ground truth that the performance of the algorithm is going to be compared to. That means that within this test area that I've selected, I need to annotate all objects, in my case, all plaques. So I'm going to go around and I'll thoroughly and nicely annotate every single plaque. It is important that you annotate the plaques exactly how you would like to detect them by an ideal algorithm. Let me see here. There's also a small plaque. So now that I've provided the ground truth, I can already move on to validation. I'll simply press validate. And now the algorithm will be applied to this test area, and the studio will compare the algorithm's detections to my ground truth. It will show this afterwards here in the viewer, and it will also create an Excel file that I can keep for the future and for publications, or if I need to show anybody how my algorithm performed. Here I'm in the project folder, and now you just saw the Excel file appear, and let's have a look at it. First, I get the general report, how many objects have been detected, but here you can also see the test metrics. You get detailed information about the true positives, false positives, and false negatives, and also pre-calculated the precision and recall of your algorithm. You get this by category, even though here in my case I have only one category, and you also get a nice confusion matrix that visualizes your results. So now you know how to validate the performance of your algorithm in the studio.